I looked like I was doing more than just sucking necks. Like, I was coming to eat your ass, okay? Hey guys, what's up? Okay, I gotta take these out. This is not behind the scenes of Jennifer's body, okay? A less attractive Jennifer. That's not what this is. This is a vampire, GLAMpire makeup look. So when I think of vampires, I think of them as the more glam, scary characters because they're just so, they got the style, they got the class, they got the shmoney. I just feel like they're more of the couture of the monster community. So I had to pull out the little Fenty. I got slobber and blood all over it, but it's all good. If you want to see how I get this look, the first Halloween tutorial of the year, then go ahead and keep on watching. So just to make this a little easier, I had to take one of these gloves off because it's feeling a little difficult right now, okay? So I decided I wanted to go with a light brow, like a bleached brow look, because like I said, vampires are like very couture, like they're very fashion, you know what I'm saying? So I definitely want to go in with a light bleached brow. I'm using the Anastasia Blonde Dip Brow Gel. This stuff is still the bomb. I use the dark brown one every day. It works so good when you're using your correct shade. You can actually use this one too though if you go too dark on your brows. It just adds like some dimension. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the eyes. I'm gonna take this little Natasha Denona real bougie because I'm a bougie vampire and I only drink bougie blood. Just kidding, that was free. I didn't even pay for that, so I'm not bougie at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of map out where I'm going with this. I literally just did this look the other day. Didn't even post pictures of it, nothing. Like the same eye look. And I don't even remember how I did it or what I even did. I wanted to do a video on the Norvina palettes. Let me like show you real quick. So Norvina came out with her own 3 palettes through Anastasia Beverly Hills and I got them in PR. So I really wanted to show you guys them. But when I asked you guys to vote, you guys said you all wanted to see a Halloween tutorial, which I do not blame you. Girl, I'm here for Halloween too. But I still wanted to kind of use them because I think that a lot of people still wanted to see how they work. So I think I'm gonna use this one for the neutrals, even though hella brights, hella brights. The black and the white are spectacular, phenomenal. That's what we're gonna be using in this look. And then this one is cute too, but like I don't think I'd use her as much, at least like this time of year. But she's still very cute. I'm just not a big blue person. So I'm just gonna go in with this B5. I'm just gonna go straight in with the black shade, which is D5. I'm actually taking both gloves off because it's hella hot. Like, bye, see ya. I'm gonna go in with this brown shade here, D1. This tiny angled brush really comes in handy. This is the L06, the lip liner brush, but we never use things for what they're actually for, so we're not gonna start now. You see that black though? Like, she's actually pretty clean. We haven't even cut her yet, and damn. Is anybody else just so glad that it's finally time to be painting our faces again like the real deal? Ugh, blood everywhere. Just having fun. A good time, you know what I'm saying? And if you guys want to see more of like my like not so wearable Halloween looks, I guess, or like ones I don't think people will really recreate, then definitely go follow me on Instagram because that's where I'm going to post like the rest of the looks that I do. On here, I'll probably just do things that I feel like people will actually want to recreate so that you guys can watch it and try it for yourself, and then tag me so I can see your fly looks. I think we're about as good as it gets right there, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease. It's about that time. gonna use C1. This right here. This is the Huda Beauty Lifeliner, I believe it's called. Yeah, Lifeliner. And it's a two-sided, so it's got like one little pencil type of deal, and it's like a freaking bop it, twist it, pull it, bop it. But it's got a liquid liner on the other side, and I was talking about this on my Instagram stories the other day, but it's a very unique type of liner. Like, I didn't expect the way that it was going to feel. It's like it's creamy, which is really weird. It's a liquid, obviously, but it doesn't feel liquidy. It feels creamy. When you make one wing liner a little too thick, you gotta thick them both up. Two thick twins. What am I even doing right now? Like, I'm like a kid playing paint right now. What's going on? That is not the wing that I needed. Little mistakes are cool because if you think about it, vampires probably do their makeup in the dark anyways. And I look like I did mine in the dark, so that's okay. Okay, so we are gonna do some glitter. We're GLAMpire, okay? We gotta be real glam. I'm gonna use this glitter adhesive from Anastasia. This stuff is kind of powerful, I'm not gonna lie, so I'm trying to brush it on a little smoothly. Where this goes, the glitter is going to stick on heavy. So I'm gonna try to do it like lightly. So I'm gonna use this, it's from BH Cosmetics. Oh shit, I'm just spilling everywhere. Okay, we're trying to get our deposit back. We're not trying to make too much of a mess in this place. So it's a loose glitter in Chameleon. It's actually a little purpley, so I don't know if I'm actually feeling this, but it's too late to back down now. And you know we had to do it. We had to just go in with some gems. Because what is a look without gems nowadays anyways? Really, you know? I try not to go too hard because then I forget where I placed them and then I'm just sitting here with sticky shit on my eyes. For nothing. Oh, so we're just not in focus. Real nice, real cute. Look, I'm about to do some figure skating, like Blades of Glory. I'm gonna go ahead and put my face makeup on real quick. You guys literally never see me do this, so maybe I should do it a little bit on camera. So I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation. This is my jam lately. When the weather starts to get a little colder, obviously, most of us, like, we lighten up a little bit, so I've been going up to shade 230. I actually think once it sets, it looks pretty good. Especially because I like to do hella contour, or at least like hella bronzer. Because vampires, like, we don't even like the light. Like, we're just out here. We're just out here in our coffins chilling all day. Of course, it goes without saying, we gotta be hella snatched. We're serving vampire realness. I will accept nothing less than being carved. Okay. I'm trying this Born This Way concealer, and I'm kind of digging it. It definitely creases on me, but it does look very flawless under the eyes. So if you're not like me, who is aging at the age of 24, then you should be alright. I hope the best for you and your skin, but my under eyes they made their choice, okay? They chose to betray me. I just love when you contour your nose and then concealer goes over it, so it was useless and pointless and you just wasted your time and your breath and your energy. That's me too. I'm trying to switch it up a little bit lately with the powders as well, so I'm going back to the Hourglass powder. When you are using a product for a while and it looks so good, and then after a while it's just like, all right, this needs a break. Like, you need to like take a break from this product and come back, because she doesn't love you anymore, you know? She wants a break from you. And it might hurt, but you just gotta go a little time without her. When she comes back, she'll be ready to go again. I don't bake under the eyes, but I can enjoy a good bake underneath the contour and on the nose. I'm gonna do red instead of black liner, just because that's what we're on today. I'm actually gonna go in with a little bit of shadow for the blush. I'm gonna go in with D3. For the highlight, just because we're looking a little frosty right now, I'm gonna go in with this Lime Crime Sunkissed palette, and I'm gonna use the Sun Days highlight. To me, this is one of my favorite highlights because it looks hella wet. It's like, do you see her? She glows. Okay. Let me get all this off real quick. I'm gonna throw on some lashes real fast, and then we'll go ahead and put our lip on, put our blood on. That's what I'm ready for. I'll be right back. This is the liquid lipstick from China, Los Angeles, called Cranberry. And I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Fenty Gloss Bomb and Diamond Milk, just because going with like that frosty type of look. As well as some highlight, of course. I'm gonna put some gems in my hair as well, just because we like to get a little extra over here. Yes, I'm gonna put some lash glue in my hair, because why not? How many gems is too much? I think that's pretty good. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to the best part, which is the blood. For those of you who don't know, fake blood stains everything, okay? We're gonna be done for after this, and I got plans after this, so I'm just hoping that I can scrub it off. I'm acting like little jerks. Okay, I don't think that worked out the way that I wanted it to. As long as I don't get it on my Fenty. Oh, I think normal people probably buy lingerie to like wear it to their man's or their woman's house, not to like get fake blood all over it. But I'm gonna do both, so. Usually the fake blood tastes kind of good. This is disgusting. Oh my god, what the fuck? Oh my god, did you guys see that? This is what my hand looks like. I already scrubbed it. Oh, this is on my neck right now, it's not my face. I got stuff to do after this. Like, this is what I look like underneath. What am I gonna do? Alright, you guys, so that's it for this video. I hope I don't sound too stupid right now with these things on. I mean, honestly, you can't sound any worse than my Invisalign, so what you gonna do? I hope you guys enjoyed the first Halloween video of the year. Let me know down below what other Halloween looks that you want to see. Don't forget to subscribe so you can watch more, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.